Hi friends, welcome to Alif Infotech. Today I am showing you how to save image in a folder and its path in a database. Open Visual Studio, create a new project. I am taking a web application, give them a project name like I am giving testing image save. I am taking empty template, close this. Now open the solution explorer. As you can see our project has been created under the name testing image save. Now I will add a folder giving a name images in which our all images should be saved. Now I will add a web form giving a name save images. As you can see our web form has been created. Now I am taking a file upload control which allow us to upload our images to web server or a storage like the folder which that I created was named images. Now I am taking a control text box which will save our data into a database. I am taking student name and roll number also I am taking. After that, now I am taking a button. After that roll number, I am again taking a text box for roll number against the roll number. Now I am taking a button by click on which our data will be saved in a database. Now I am taking a label which I am used for giving a message after record will inserted, and I am giving this label a red color. Save that web form. Now I am going to the design page and double click on the button, due to which the on click event of the button will be generated. As you can see in behind code, as you can see in a design page our on click button also generated here. save it. Now we have to use some namespace for SQL connection, like system.data.sql, and I'm taking also system.data.sql client. Now we give a SQL connection to connect our database. See, this is my database connection. In that connection, you can see my data test name was displayed. If you want to add a connection, click on add connection. I am already add the connection. Go to the properties. See, this is data string. Now open the SQL. I am connect my SQL. As you can see, there is a database named test which I connected to my SQL Visual Studio. Now I am writing a query for creating a table where our data will save. I am giving them name image save, table name image save, and I am taking a three fields. First field was a pick path where our images path will be saved, and the second one is a student name, and the third one is a roll number. And all field data type have I am taking and where care. Now go to the data connection property, copy that connection string and paste it here. Now do some code for save our image and data into database and folder also. Our image in our folder also, and student name and roll number in database, and image path in also database. First of all, I am taking file upload control to save the images in a folder, but the name is not displayed. As you can see, I am taking id two times, that's why the name is not displayed there. So I will erase that one id and give them id pick upload, final id pick upload. I am taking two times id, that's why the name is not appear there. I'm just erase one id. Now I am save this page. Now I am going to behind code. As you can see, file upload controls id was displayed, and I am writing a code to save the image in a folder. I am taking the path of that image folder and I am writing here that image path folder. and I am also save that image name. That's why I am taking student name also and roll number also. And I want to save that image in a folder in JPG format. That's why I am taking .jpg extension. Now my image is going to save in folder by student name underscore roll number .jpg format. As you can see, I am writing this code. Now I am taking this same name to save in my database. I am taking a picture path into a string which will insert into a database in pick path column. Now I am writing a query for insert the data into database. I am taking now values for pick path. I am taking this string pick path. This is my first field of a table, pick path, and my second field is a student name. So now I want to save a student name also in database. Now I am taking student name text. This is inline query. This is called inline query. If you want to store the database in if you want to store the data in a database, you can use store procedure also. I am using an inline query. Now I am code track catch block. I am open the connection. Now I have to take a SQL command, which is used to give a command what to proper. You can see I am taking a two arguments in a command query and connection. Now I am execute that command. I am writing a code to execute that command, and if my record was inserted, I got a message record inserted successful. I'm writing a catch block. If my record is not inserted, if I'm getting some exception, then it will go into a catch block. Now save it. Okay, let's see it's working or not. Our web application is loaded. It's taking a time. As you can see, our web form is loaded. I'm just choosing an image, write a student name, roll number, and submit them. Let's see what's happened. You can see message record inserted successfully. We will check in our database by writing select query. As you can see, our pick path also saved, name, student name, roll number, all data are saved. Now we will check image saved to image folder or not. I am opening just image folder that to check that this is our